Welcome, dear students. My dear students, today our topic is multiplication of fractions, exercise 2.2. The name of the chapter is Fractions and Decimals, class 7 mathematics. So let us proceed with the topic. Dear students, suppose I have one circle, and if I divide this circle into four equal parts, then what do you mean by if one part of the circle is shaded, then we can write this part as one part is shaded out of four parts of the circles. Okay, similarly, if we take one more circle, again we divide this circle into four equal parts. Again, one part of the circle is shaded, then this portion is also equal to 1 upon 4. Okay, so if we add these two fractions, then what is the sum? The sum is 2 upon 4. So if we add these two circles, then what is the result? Result we can write this way: complete one circle. We can say here one circle. Again, this is divided into four equal parts, but because first part is shaded, either this time second part is shaded, so total two parts are shaded. So what we can say now, answer is equal to 2 upon 4. Dear students, so this is the way how we add the fractions. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 2 by 4. So from this summation, one multiplication rule is there. How we can write this as, we can say that 2 into 1 by 4 is equal to 2 by 4. So this is the way how we can multiply. So my dear students, once again let us introduce multiplication of fractions. You know how to find the area of a rectangle. It is equal to length into breadth. If the length and breadth of a rectangle are 7 centimeter and 4 centimeter respectively, then what will be the area? Area will be length into breadth. 7 into 4 equal to 28 centimeter square. Now, what will be the area of the rectangle if its length and breadth are 7 is to 1 by 2 centimeter and 3 is to 1 by 2 centimeter respectively? So you will say it will be 7 is to 1 by 2 into 3 is to 1 by 2, that is length into breadth. So how we say 7 into 2 14, 14 plus 1 15, 15 upon 2 into 3 into 2 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 upon 2. So we can write 7 is to 1 by 2 equal to 15 upon 2. Into sign is here. 3 is to 1 by 2 mean 7 upon 2 centimeter square. So the numbers 15 upon 2 and 7 upon 2 are fractions. To calculate the area of the given rectangle, we need to know how to multiply fractions. We shall learn that now. Multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. So as we have seen, observe the picture. Each part is 1 upon 4, which is shaded. So we can write this as 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4. So how we can write it as 2 into 1 upon 4, and final result of the diagram will be this. Okay. So now coming to the next part, how we can say this portion 1 upon 4, this portion 1 upon 4. So we can say here 2 is 2 into 1 by 4 equal to 2 by 4 is the final answer. So observe the next diagram. Can you now tell what this picture will represent? So tell me, what is this? This mean 1 by 4, because there are 4 equal parts of the square and one part is shaded, so 1 upon 4. And what is this now? This is also 1 upon 4. This is also 1 upon 4. So this plus this is equal to, so we write is plus sign plus sign. So answer mean 3 parts are now shaded, 3 upon 4. So we can also write them as 3 parts, each part equal to 1 upon 4 is equal to 3 upon 4. Similarly, what is there in this diagram now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 parts are there. So in the denominator we write 9. How many parts are shaded? 2 parts are shaded. In the second diagram, again 2 parts are shaded out of 9. In third diagram, again 2 parts are shaded out of 9. So adding these, what is the answer? 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal to 6 parts are shaded out of 9. So we can also write them as, how many squares are there? 3 squares are there. Into 1 square mean 2 upon 9. So answer is 3 into 2, 6 upon 9. So this way, if we add 3 times 2 upon 9, answer is 6 upon 9. Or second rule is, if we multiply one part by 3, answer is again 6 by 9. So this is the way how we multiply the fractions. My dear students, for improper fractions also we have 2 into 5 upon 3 mean 2 into 5 divide 3, that is 10 upon 3. Similarly, 3 into 8 upon 7, what will be the answer? It means 3 into 8. 3 into 8, 24. Divide 7. Here what is the answer? 4 into 7 upon 5. It means 4 into 7, 28 upon 5. Right? So now next we have fractions as an operator of. Mean to say, sometime we use of in place of multiplication. So let us see what are the questions with this. 1 by 2 of 10. It means 1 by 2 into 10. 1 by 4 of 16. It means 1 by 4 into 16. 2 by 5 of 25. Mean 2 by 5 into 25. Now coming to the exercise. Which of the drawings A to D? A, B, C, D. A to D show 2 into 1 upon 5. So 2 figures are there. Here these figures are 3. No, this cannot be answer. These are 2, but 1 upon 5. Figure should have 5 portions. Here we have only 2 portions, so this is not. These are 3 not. So here what has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, one circle has 5 parts and there are 2 circles. So we can say answer of 1 is D. D. Because 2 circles, each circle one part is shaded out of 5 parts. Now second part, 2 into 1 by 2. So these are 2 figures, 2 squares. 1 square mean one portion is shaded out of 2 portions. So answer of second is B. Now third part, 3 into 2 by 3. So 2 portions are shaded. 1, 2, 3. These are 3 portions of the circle, out of which 2 portions of the circle are shaded. So 3 circles into 2 by 3. So answer of third part is A. Last one is 3 into 1 by 4. So this is the answer is C part. Right? Now coming to the question number 2. Some pictures A to C. A, B, C. So this is the A picture, this is the B picture, this is the C picture. Some pictures A to C are given below. Tell which of them show 3 into 1 by 5 equal to 3 upon 5. So search here. 3 pictures, one part is shaded out of 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5 parts of a square, out of which one is shaded. So this answer of first part is C. Answer of first part is C, because C picture is here. In second, here what we can say, A mean one part out of 3 parts. How many parts are there? 2. 2 circles are there and one is shaded out of 3. 2 into 1 by 3. So answer of second part is A. Third part, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 part. Total how many parts are there? 4. Out of which 1, 2, 3. 3 are shaded. So how many pictures are there in left hand side? 3. 3 into 3 by 4. So what we can say here? 9 by 4. 9 by 4. But one picture has only 4 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. 4 plus 4, 8 parts, plus one more part. So what we can say here? 2 is to 1 by 4. So answer is 2 is to 1 by 4. This is the way how we convert improper fraction into proper fraction. Now we have question number 3. multiply and reduce to lowest form and convert into a mixed fraction. So these are the questions. We shall discuss them one by one. The very first part is 7 into 3 upon 5. It means 7 into 3 divide 5. So answer is 7 into 3, 21 upon 5. So now what we do? We divide 21 by 5. So answer will be 5 fours are 20. 1 is the remainder. So we can write this as 4 is to 1 upon 5. 1 upon 5. So this is the mixed fraction. Now our next part is 4 into 1 upon 3. So this means 4 into 1 divide 3 equal to 4 upon 3. So this is improper fraction because numerator 4 is greater than 3. So this is improper fraction. Now we divide 4 by 3. 3 ones are 3. So remainder is 1. We can write this as 1 is to 1 by 3. Now third part, 2 into 6 upon 7. It means 2 into 6 divide 7 mean 12 upon 7. Again numerator is greater than denominator. So this is improper fraction. We have to divide 12 by 7. 7 ones are 7. Remainder is 5. So we write this as 1 is to 5 by 7. 1 is to 5 upon 7. Okay. Now fifth part is 2 by 3 into 4. It means 2 into 4 divide 3. That means 8 divide 3. Again numerator is greater than denominator. So we have to divide 8 by 3. 3 twos are 6. 2 is the remainder. So 2 is 2. 2 by 3 is the final answer. Next part, sixth part. 5 upon 2 into 6. That means 5 into 6 divide 2. So we can write this as 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So answer is 5 into 3 equal to 15. Now part number 7. We have 11 into 4 upon 7. That means 11 into 4 divide 7. So this is 44 divide 7. Now dividing 44 by 7. 7 6 sevens are 42. Remainder 2. So what we can write now? 6 is to 2 upon 7. Number 8 part. What is the question? 20 into 4 upon 5. So this means 20 into 4 divide 5. My dear students, we can cancel them. 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. So what we can write here now? Answer is 4 into 4 equal to 16. Our next part is part number 9. 13 into 1 by 3 equal to 13 into 1 divide 3 equal to 13 upon 3. So dividing 13 by 3, we have 4 threes are 12, remainder is 1. So answer is 4 is to 1 by 3. Last part of the question, 15 into 3 upon 5. So we can write this as 15 into 3 upon 5. So my dear students, what we can do here? 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. So we can write answer 3 into 3 equal to 9. Now we have question number 4. Shade number 1. 1 by 2 of the circles in box A. So this is box A. How many portions are to be shaded? 1 by 2. So first of all, 1 by 2 mean half. So how many circles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Out of 12, we have to shade 6 circles. So first circle is shaded, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So this way, what we can say, 6 upon 12, 6 upon 12 mean 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. So answer is 1 upon 2. What is second part? 2 by 3 of triangles in the box B. So how many? 3. Out of 3, we have to shade 2. So this first is shaded, second is shaded. In first line, out of 3, 2 are shaded. In second line also, out of 3 triangles, 2 triangles are shaded. In third row also, out of 3 triangles, we shade 2 triangles. So how many triangles are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 divide, how many triangles total they are? 9. So cancelling them, 2 threes are 6, 3 threes are 9. Answer is 2 by 3. So in last C part, 3 upon 5 of squares in box C. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of 5 squares, 3 are to be shaded. So first square is shaded here. This second square shaded. Third square also shaded. So out of 5 squares, 3 are shaded. In second row also, we shade 3 squares. 1, 2, 3. In third row also, we shade 3 squares. 1, 2, 3. So this way, how many squares are shaded now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 squares are shaded out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So dividing by 3, 3 into 3, 9, 3 into 5, 15. So answer is 3 upon 5. So 3 upon 5 of the squares in box C. Now coming to the next question, question number 5. Find A part. 1 by 2 of 24. 1 by 2 of 24. It means 1 by 2 into 24. So that means 1 into 24 divide 2. Now what we can do? 2 ones are 2, 2 12s are 24. So final answer is 1 into 12 equal to 12 is the final answer. Second part, 1 by 2 of 46. It means 1 by 2 into 46. That is 1 into 46 divide 2. So again what we do, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. So answer is 1 into 23 is equal to 23 is the final answer. Now we have B part, question number 5. 2 by 3 of 18. It means 2 by 3 into 18. So what we can do here? 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18. So answer is 2 into 6 equal to 12. Next part is 2 by 3 of 27. That means 2 by 3 into 27. So cancellation, 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27. So we can write this as 2 into 9. Answer is 18. Now coming to the C part, 3 by 4 of 16. It means 3 by 4 into 16. So we have 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. So answer is 3 into 4 equal to 12. Similarly, second part is 3 by 4 of 36. So what we can do? 3 by 4 into 36. So here we have 4 ones are 4, 4 nines are 36. So answer will be 3 into 9 equal to 27. Now question number 5, D part. 4 by 5 of 20. It means 4 by 5 into 20. So 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. So we write this as 4 into this 4 equal to 16 is the final answer. Now last part, D part. 4 by 5 of 35. So this means 4 by 5 into 35. So 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35. So how we write? 4 into 7 equal to 28. Now we have question number 6. Multiply and express as a mixed fraction. 3 into 5 is to 1 by 5. 5 into 6 is to 3 by 4. So my dear students, you will solve these questions yourself. Now coming to question number 7. Find a part 1 by 2 of 2 is to 3 by 4. What is the question? 1 by 2 of 2 is to 3 by 4. That means 1 by 2 into 2 is to 3 by 4. So this can be written as 1 by 2 into this mixed fraction means 4 into 2 8, 8 plus 3 11 upon 4. So we write this as 1 into 11 divide 2 into 4. So answer is 11 upon 8. So we divide here. 11 is divided by 8. 8 ones are 8. Remainder is 3. So we can write the answer 1 is to 3 by 8. Now we have question number 7, B part, 5 by 8 of 3 is to 5 upon 6. So this means 5 by 8 into 3 into 6, 18. 18 plus 5, 23 upon 6. So how to write now? This is equal to 5 into 23 divide 8 into 6. So answer is 5 into 23 mean 5 into 3 15, 5 into 2 10, 10 plus 1 11, divide 6 into 8 48. So now we divide 115 is divided by 48. So 48 into 2 96. Remainder is 9 1. Okay. So how we write answer? Answer is equal to 2 is to 19 divide 48. Our last question is question number 8. Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle that contained 5 liters of water. Vidya consumed 2 upon 5 of water. Pratap consumed the remaining water. How much water did Vidya drink? First of all, total quantity of water is equal to 5 liter. Vidya consumed equal to 2 by 5 of 5. That means 2 by 5 into 5. So 5 cancel. Answer is 2. So out of 5 liter, 2 liter water consumed by Vidya. So what is the remaining water out of 5? This 2 is subtracted is equal to 3 liters. 3 liter water is consumed by Pratap. So what was the next part? How much water did Vidya drink? So answer is 2 liter. What fraction of total quantity of water did Pratap drink? So Pratap drank 3 liter. Okay, what is 3 liter now? Because out of 5, 2 upon 5 is subtracted. Pratap consumed 3 of 5. So what we can say here is equal to, so we can write this as 3 upon 5 of 5 upon 5, right? So this is the fraction, this is the answer. Thank you.